Today, they're going to learn how to install Roblox on PC using the official method in 2026, if they're new and don't know where to start. This will guide them step by step from opening the website all the way to launching their first game. This is the safest and most updated way to install Roblox on a computer, so the first thing they need to do is open a web browser on their PCIT. Can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser they prefer. Once the browser is open, they go to the official Roblox website. It's important to make sure they are on the official site to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once they are on the homepage, they will see the option to sign up or log in. If they already have an account, they simply enter their username and password. If they don't have one yet, they can create a new account. They just need to enter basic information like date of birth, username, and password. The process is quick and only takes a minute. After logging in, they will arrive at the main Roblox page from here. They can browse different games and experiences now to install Roblox. They don't actually download it directly from a button like traditional games. Instead, they click on any game they want to play. For example, they can choose a popular experience from the homepage. Once they click on the game, they press the play button. At this point, Roblox will prompt them to download and install the Roblox player. They click on download and wait for the file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, they open the installer file. They double-click it to begin the installation process. The installation usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, Roblox is automatically installed on the PC now. They go back to the browser and click play again on the same game. This time, the Roblox player will launch automatically. The game will start loading, and after a few seconds, they will be inside the experience. Now Roblox is fully installed and ready to use. From this point, they can explore different games, join servers, and play with other users. Now let's go over a few important tips to make sure everything runs smoothly. First, they should make sure their internet connection is stable. Since Roblox is an online platform, a weak connection can cause loading issues or lag. Second, they should keep their browser and system updated. This helps avoid compatibility problems. Another important tip is to check system performance. If the PC is not very powerful, they can lower graphics settings inside Roblox to improve performance. They can do this by opening the in-game menu and adjusting the graphics slider. Also, if Roblox doesn't open correctly, they can try restarting their browser or computer. This often fixes minor issues if needed. They can reinstall Roblox by removing it from their system and installing it again using the same method. Another useful thing to know is that Roblox updates automatically, so they don't need to manually install updates every time they launch a game. Roblox makes sure everything is up to date. They should also be careful when downloading anything related to Roblox. Always use the official website and avoid third-party downloads. This keeps their account and computer safe. Now at this point, everything is set up. They can open Roblox anytime by simply going to the website and clicking play on any game. The Roblox player will launch automatically and start the experience, and that's it. That's how they can install Roblox on PC using the official method step by step in 2026, from creating an account all the way to launching and playing their first game.